When I look back on my career, how many people can actually say that they started as an 18-year-old kid on the floor to running the entire plant and then negotiating high-dollar sales deals? Realcraft really has an opportunity for people to grow, and I'm an example of that. I started at Realcraft just out of high school in 1987, and there was only about 25 or 30 employees, and we just moved out of the smaller pole barn that we started in. I started as an operator in the fabrication department running the presses, and then I became the setup person. And then right after that, I became the assembly supervisor for about 5 years before I went into plant manager for about the next 20. There's a real opportunity to build a career and grow with the company. Realcraft has always believed in me. They gave me an opportunity to go to school. They paid for my degree in business management, and then also gave me the opportunity to work in sales, which was a lot of fun, and it allowed me to see an entire other side of the business after being in operations for so long. I've seen a lot of growth in the company, but the one thing that's always stayed the same is Realcraft really cares about their employees and treats us like family. Today, I'm the logistics manager at Realcraft, so taking care of all the shipping needs and also helping mentor some of the younger employees to help them grow and become future leaders as well, which is really a thing that I like to do. Realcraft is like a second home to me. I've built a lot of long-lasting relationships over the last 38 years. I've always wanted Realcraft to succeed, and I'm really proud to be part of its growth. When I retire, I want to drive by here with my grandkids and tell them that I helped build that and make it what it is today. I love this company, and I get a lot of pride in what I've accomplished here.